Alam mo ba, if magta-travel ka anytime soon, this is the only card that you need to bring. Hindi to sponsored, guys. Hey, it's Yani, your personal finance coach, and kakabalik ko lang from Hong Kong, and I'm traveling again next week to a new country, and excited ako kasi ito yung gagdaling kong card. In context, kapag nasa ibang bansa kayo, kapag ka mag-withdraw kayo, may malaking fees, or kung may dala naman kayong dollar, so may foreign exchange yan from peso to USD to whatever country you're going to. Last year, yung mga travels ko, usually, hindi na ako nagdadala ng dollars. Nagdadala na lang talaga ako ng card. Pero, ang laki ng fees, no? Ang laki ng exchange rate, ang layo. But right now, ito yung dinala kong card in my recent trip to Hong Kong. And sobrang happy ako sa rates niya. Papakita ko. Ay, wait lang. Ito pala yung card. The GCash Visa card. May MasterCard din pero ito yung kinuha ko. Well, it's basically the same Visa, MasterCard, payment gateways lang siya. So, nag-withdraw ako ng 1,000 HK dollars. At that time, yung rate was around 7.11. And nung nag-withdraw ko, yung rate or yung nabawa sa akin is 7.12. So, sobrang ganda nung fees. Actually, hindi ko ma-check right now kung meron siyang additional fees for the withdrawal. But usually meron. No? Natutuwa lang ako kasi wala ng forex fees. Exchange rate na mataas. And yung exchange rate, halos same lang sa exchange rate na nakita ko on Google. Sayang na-delete ko yung screenshot. Pero, ang ganda. So, if you're traveling soon, use your GCash card. Highly appreciate. Actually, tinry ko lang siya dahil nakikita ko sa mga tao na ang ganda nga daw ng forex fees. So, ngayon excited ako mag-travel using this kasi thank you GCash. Ang ganda ng fees and exchange rate na meron using this.